What if I told you that a tiny digital product, something I created in just a few days, brought in over $10,000 in its first 30 days? Sounds pretty wild, right? Well, stick around for the next few minutes because I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can potentially do it too. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital products. Not the big, complicated courses or the fancy software, but the small, simple, and incredibly profitable ones. I'm talking about things like templates, guides, planners, presets products that solve a very specific problem for a very specific audience. That's the secret sauce right there. My journey started with a problem I was constantly facing in my own workflow. I spent hours every week doing this one repetitive task. I figured if I'm struggling with this, others must be too. So instead of just complaining about it, I decided to create a solution. I built a simple, easy-to-use digital template that automated most of the process. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't complex, but it was incredibly effective. Now, creating the product is only half the battle. The other half is getting it in front of the right people. I didn't have a massive advertising budget. In fact, I spent almost nothing on ads. My strategy was all about organic marketing and building a community. First, I identified where my target audience hangs out online. For me, it was specific Facebook groups, subreddits, and certain hashtags on Instagram and TikTok. I didn't just spam my link everywhere. That's the fastest way to get ignored or banned. Instead, I started providing value. I answered questions, shared tips related to the problem my product solved, and genuinely engaged with people. I became a helpful member of the community first. After a week or so of consistently providing value, I started to subtly mention my solution. I'd say something like, "Hey, I actually built a template to help with that. It saved me a ton of time." People started asking for the link. The key was to offer the solution, not force it on them. I made a few posts showcasing the before and after, demonstrating the clear benefit of using my product. This created genuine interest and social proof. Then, I decided to do something that felt a little scary, but paid off big time. I offered a limited time launch discount. This created a sense of urgency. I also reached out to a few small creators in my niche and offered them free access to my product in exchange for an honest review or a mention. A couple of them loved it and shared it with their audience, which sent a wave of new customers my way. This is the power of leveraging other people's audiences. The first sale felt incredible, then another and another. The momentum started to build. I set up a simple sales page using a platform like Gumroad or Stand Store, which made the checkout process super smooth for customers. This is crucial. Don't make it difficult for people to give you their money. So, what were the numbers? In the first 30 days, I sold over 500 units of this tiny digital product, priced at just over $20, that added up to a 5-figure launch. All from a simple idea that solved a real problem. The best part? It's almost entirely passive income now. The system is set up, and the sales continue to come in every single day with minimal effort from my side. So, what can you learn from this? First, find a problem. Look at your own life, your hobbies, your job. What are your pain points? Chances are, other people share them. Second, create a simple, high-value solution. Don't overthink it. Done is better than perfect. Third, find your audience and provide value before you ask for a sale. Build trust and community. And finally, launch with a clear strategy. Use urgency and social proof to drive those initial sales. You don't need a huge following or a big budget to succeed with digital products. You just need a good idea, a solid strategy, and the willingness to take action. If I can do it, I truly believe you can too. Start small, solve a problem, and see where it takes you. I hope this breakdown was helpful and gave you some inspiration. If you've got any value from this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Let me know in the comments what kind of digital product you're thinking of creating. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.